I made I was supposed to make sweet and sour pork, but I wound up making orange pork instead. I know it looks like orange chicken from Piff from Panda Express, and I went ahead and used this because I didn't have the time to cut up the vegetables and make the sweet and sour sauce. I was trying to use made with Laos sweet and sour chicken recipe.
What's up, everyone?
But I didn't have time. I didn't have time to get the vegetables and stuff cut up like he has, the onions, peppers, and stuff cut up and make the sweet and sour sauce. So I knew I had some of this. So I took the shortcut and just used the Panda Express orange sauce instead with my cilantro lime rice. I put some green beans in the air fryer with some salt and steak seasoning, that Montreal like seasoning. Oh, it's so good. I did some of the pork in the air fryer as well, but the color, it was still kind of gray to me because the flour didn't. So I just started a pan and fried the rest of it. So this is my orange pork, and it tastes just as good as it looks. So crunchy. That crunch is real. Oh God. And I use pork shoulder. I had a whole pork shoulder. I cut some of it off the bone. It was heck trying to get all that stuff off the bone. So I couldn't cut it all off the bone, but I cut most of it. The crunch is real. I fried my pork twice, like Nate with Lao showed me. 8 minutes for the first cook, 1 minute for the last cook. So, orange pork, deep fried orange pork with cilantro lime rice and roasted green beans, air fried green beans. Making sweet and sour pork for the first time. So this is my sweet and sour pork. This is the first fry, and it looks weird. It's on a pizza cardboard box, a pizza box from Little Ozio's, the best pizza joint in Atlanta. So this is my pork shoulder. This is the first fry. This is my sweet and sour sauce. I use the Cooking with Lao recipe. It looks like a barbecue sauce, but it's a sweet and sour sauce. It's not as red as I would like, but it has a delicious sweet and sour sauce taste. I already sauteed my onions and peppers for just a little second, so I can go back and saute them together with the meat. My first sweet and sour pork, and I think it's going to be delicious. I have my green beans and my Ninja just sitting here. I'm going to reheat them once I get my pork finished frying. Okay, so I'm finishing up my second fry. Now, I don't know why it's so foamy. I think it's because of the egg and the cornstarch mixture, and maybe all the fat that's on the pork shoulder. I don't know, but that's the second fry on that batch. It really doesn't look that white as it's shown on the camera. It looks very delicious actually, but it won't even matter because I'm about to put it in my sauce. Okay, so some of the foam died down just a little bit, and I don't know, why it's showing up so gray on the cardboard box, but look how good and crunchy that looks on the second fry. Yes, second fry. Look how good and crispy. Come on, second fry. Just turned my eye back on for my sauce. Now I'm about to add in all this good fried pork. Ooh, let up the bigger pan. All that meat. Okay, and just like Cooking with Lau had, the pineapples, the onions and peppers, about to add those. Oh, that was so good. This is about to be lit. I said lick. This is about to be lit. I have never had sweet and sour pork like this with the pineapples and the peppers and onions. I'm about to enjoy this. Ooh, so look at that. Everything is nice and coated. I'm just trying to make sure my pineapples get nice and hot, because everything is done. The only thing I didn't cook for at least a little bit was my pineapples, and I know maybe some grilled charred pineapples would be so good in here. But this, if this ain't restaurant quality style, like, I gotta cook for, I really enjoy cooking. I gotta do this more often. Anyways, so this is the leftover orange pork I had last night. I came back here in the middle of the night because it's so good. It's not too heavy. So as a little midnight snack. I haven't cooked any more rice yet. I know I'm gonna have to. About to microwave that.
So I want you to show.
Oh my God, it looks so good. I love how red it looks. Like, surprisingly, it looks more red on camera than it does in person. In person, it looks a little bit more brown, but on camera, it look. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God, hold on, cause got Top Shelf playing in the background. Oh my God. Oh, Santricia, girl, look at you, girl. Oh my God. Got the pineapples, got the red bell peppers, the red onions, my crispy green beans, out the air fryer, just a little bit of oil, my cilantro lime rice. Santricia, look at you, girl. Let me taste it. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Let me get a red pepper on there. Let me get a red pepper on there. Let me get pineapple on there. Where's the onion? Get an onion. Get an onion on there. Oh my God. The smell, like, oh my God. It smells so gourmet. Thank you, Cooking with Lau. Oh my God. Oh my God. And it's so hot. Let me blow it. I do not want to burn myself. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so proud. I see why Cooking with Lau used the original Chinese ketchup recipe. This is restaurant quality style. I think the other red sauce does good with the chicken, but this ketchup base sweet and sour sauce is good, so good with this pork. And that pineapple, the ketchup and the pineapple, oh my God. And it doesn't taste like barbecue sauce at all. I am so pleased and impressed. And the onions and the peppers just bring something out of it. The onions and peppers just, and I love garlic. I love garlic so much. I put garlic in everything. The only thing that has garlic in it on here is the marinade from Cooking with Lau, because he used the Lawry's garlic salt. I didn't have any Lawry's garlic salt, but I have salt and garlic. In the soy sauce, I did that like Cooking with Loud said. And oh my God. And I love garlic, but I felt like garlic would have overpowered it and changed the recipe. He did not have any fresh garlic in his recipe, so I did exactly. I had to refrain from. I love garlic so much. I put garlic. I would put, if I had garlic ice cream, I would try it, but I had to refrain from using the garlic. I followed the exact recipe. I messed up on the sauce because I added way more ketchup, and I didn't use a measuring cup of my brown sugar, and too much fell in the bowl, so it equaled out. But I am so thoroughly impressed with myself. Oh my God. And I know it's just gonna hit. The only thing I don't like about it is my chicken didn't stay crispy, but it's okay. It is okay. Like, it tastes like you would out of the restaurant, and it's not crispy, but you can tell my chicken was well coated. It's not crispy like my orange chicken was yesterday. Orange chicken yesterday, sweet and sour chicken today. I love it. Only thing I'm missing is my crab ragoon and my shrimp. Egg rolls. I'm gonna do crab ragoon and shrimp egg rolls tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Crab ragoon is home. But see, I want the other kind of sweet and sour sauce with my crab ragoon. But I don't have any food color. Have to order that. I'm about to call my mama and make her feel bad for going home before I cook this. But, you know, it's just the God in me. Hey, it's easy to love, you know what I'm saying?